Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Hope you can follow along as I show you how to draw Glowman. Let's start with a rounded rectangle like so. Now we've got his neck coming out. Now his body is actually as wide as his head, maybe a little bit wider, so we've got to bring this out. That's his shoulder, and that's his other shoulder coming out there. Then I'm just going to put a line coming down here just to give me a bit of a reference line, and another one. This is the side of his body coming down, and that's about the same height as his head, so just bring that down to there. Now I'm going to bring his arm out with his thumb and then bring that around like this. There's one arm, that's his thumb there. Now his other arm comes slightly different, and then that comes out and around. Try and keep these the same thickness if you can. Now he's got this glow bit on here, so I'm going to do one part of his glow on his arm there. Now he's got this part of his glow looks like this here. Then he's got another little bit coming across, another little bit coming across here. Then a bit through the middle, comes down. It's almost like his skeleton. The glow bit comes across here like this. One there, one there. Now I've got to draw his leg. So his leg comes out with his shoe. And then that comes back up into there. Bump down, cross, down, shoe, more side on. And then bump it up and around like that. Now, because it's more side on, this glow is actually closer to this side there. And then this glow is coming down and around like that. Now we've just got to finish the glow off on his head. So start with a C shape like this on this side. And we're going to do the same, repeat it, reverse it. It's like a mirror image on the other side. Then we've got the stumble guy's eyes, 1, 2, and then we've got a really cool smiley face like this, almost like a little sausage.